Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful scalping strategy using Bollinger Bands, the Bollinger Band bounce. This strategy is perfect for quick trades, works best in range-bound markets, and can be a great tool for intraday profits. Let's dive right in. Bollinger Bands are a volatility indicator made up of 3 lines. The middle line is a 20-period simple moving average. The upper and lower bands are standard deviations away from that moving average. When price touches the bands, it often signals overbought or oversold conditions, perfect for bounce trades. Let's set up the chart. Open a 1-minute or 5-minute chart, works well for scalping. Apply Bollinger Bands with the default settings. 20-period moving average. 2 standard deviations. Add RSI with a 14-period setting for confirmation. Here is how to trade the bounce. Buy entry. Wait for the price to touch or slightly break the lower Bollinger Band. RSI should be below 30, indicating oversold. Look for a bullish candle like a hammer or engulfing pattern. Enter long at the close of that candle. Sell entry. Price touches or breaks the upper Bollinger Band. RSI above 70, overbought zone. Watch for bearish candles, like shooting star or bearish engulfing. Enter short at the close. Stop loss and target. Risk management is key in scalping. Place your stop loss just below the recent swing low for longs, or above swing high for shorts. Target a 1:1 or 1.5:1 reward to risk ratio. Exit at the midline, the 20 SMA, or earlier if momentum fades. Avoid trading during strong trending markets. This strategy works best in sideways conditions. You can use ADX indicator or check if the price is mostly moving between bands without strong breakout. Use high volume assets, stocks, Forex pairs, or crypto. Don't chase the trade. Wait for confirmation. Backtest the setup before going live. And always follow your trading plan, no emotions. So that's the Bollinger Band bounce scalping strategy in a nutshell. Simple, effective, and great for quick trades when the market is ranging. Thank you for watching.